Hey little bunnies, do you know who is this? Yes, this is a lion. Lion says roar. This is a lion. Lion says roar. Lion. Lion. Okay, now can you show me where is the capital L? Yes, this is the capital L. Then where is the simple L? Yes, this is the simple L. What's the sound of the letter L? Lion. Lollipop. Then, who is this? Who is this? Ladybug. Who is this? Ladybug. Then, what is this? Light. 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 Ladybug. Then, what is this? Lemon. Lemon. Then, me මොනවාද me? Leaves. 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 Okay, tell me, what's the sound of the letter L? Lion.